Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your phone supports live wallpapers. Check One UI and storage. Once done, plug in Wi-Fi to avoid cellular costs and make sure battery is above 20%. Now go straight to Settings, tap Wallpaper, or long press an empty home screen and choose Wallpaper. This opens Samsung's Wallpaper Picker and Galaxy themes. You need this picker to install or apply a live wallpaper. Make sure you grant the app permission to change wallpapers when prompted. You now search Galaxy Themes or the Galaxy Store for live or dynamic wallpapers. Type live wallpaper into the search so you see motion previews. Once you pick one, preview on both home and lock screens to evaluate animation and battery impact. Then tap download or install. When permission prompts appear, allow what the pack needs to run. After installation, select Apply or Set as Wallpaper and choose whether to use it on home, lock, or both. This completes the middle step. You finish by confirming the live wallpaper is active on the screens you selected. Open the home and lock screens to watch the animation. If it doesn't animate, reboot the phone first. That often resolves permission or process issues. Make sure battery or performance modes aren't restricting background animation by checking settings battery and disabling aggressive background limits. If problems persist, clear the Wallpaper app cache or uninstall and reinstall the pack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.